Aluminum foil. Believe it or not, just crumpling up a small piece of aluminum foil like this can be incredibly effective at repelling cockroaches. It sounds unbelievable, but this is a simple trick that many people have successfully used. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Cockroaches are not only annoying, but also carry countless dangerous bacteria and pathogens to your family. If you're tired of them appearing again and again, don't leave yet, because I'm going to show you how right now. Today, we'll create a simple, inexpensive, yet surprisingly effective cockroach extermination method that every household has. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, set the aluminum foil aside, as we need a bowl or container to begin mixing this mixture, the mixture that will help our trap work most effectively. First, we'll use 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using white sugar. By using sugar, we're creating an extremely attractive bait that will automatically draw cockroaches in and get them killed without needing to buy any chemicals or toxic products. More importantly, this recipe is harmless to dogs or cats if you have pets in the house. It's very, very effective. Okay, after adding 4 tablespoons of sugar, we'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. For those who don't know, baking soda creates an extremely adverse reaction to insects, including cockroaches and even many spider species. So, today's recipe not only helps repel and kill cockroaches, but sometimes also repels those annoying spiders that often invade homes. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the mixture. I use baking soda a lot on my channel in many highly effective recipes. I invite you to check them out to see for yourself. Read the comments under those videos. You'll see many people have successfully applied it and gotten extremely positive results, just like the recipe we're using today. Because if you're here, you're probably already fed up with fighting these annoying cockroaches. After adding the baking soda, we mix well until the 2 ingredients are completely combined. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, we'll use a lemon, but this time without the lemon juice. To conceal and camouflage it in the mixture, we'll use a grater and only grate the lemon peel. It's best to use a grater with small holes, like the one I'm using, so the lemon peel is grated very finely. The goal is to get about 1 tablespoon of lemon peel. No lemon juice is needed. While grating, gently rotate the lemon to avoid grating the flesh, as any lemon juice will ruin the recipe. Once you have enough peel, add the lemon peel to the bowl of mixture. The lemon has done its job. The rest you can use for salads, lemonade, or other dishes. We're only using the peel, something that people normally throw away. This way, we're not wasting anything. On the contrary, we're creating something very useful for the house. Continue mixing until the ingredients are perfectly combined. You'll see the mixture is not liquid, so it's very easy to mix. Mix thoroughly like this to prepare for the final ingredient, which is toothpaste. No need to worry about the brand. Toothpaste is an ideal insecticide, especially for cockroaches. In this recipe, we'll use a strip of toothpaste about 2 to 3 centimeters long. It not only kills adult cockroaches, but also destroys their nests and eggs. Because the hardest thing isn't killing a cockroach, but preventing the generation of their eggs, which can produce thousands. When the cockroach carries this mixture back to its nest, it will destroy the eggs almost immediately. Now, mix thoroughly. You can use your hands if you prefer, as toothpaste is a bit difficult to mix. Mix until all the ingredients are completely combined into a homogeneous mixture. After mixing, we move on to the main character of the video. Aluminum foil. Take a piece of aluminum foil about 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Place the mixture in the center, like this. If you're wondering why there are so many cockroaches, one reason is they're attracted to aluminum foil as it traps odors and grease. This mixture is extremely attractive to cockroaches, but extremely deadly to them. Now, roll up the aluminum foil to completely enclose the mixture, carefully disguising this secret recipe. Next, take a fork and gently poke holes around the foil ball. Since there's no liquid inside, the mixture won't spill out. That's it! You might wonder, how does it work? Cockroaches are attracted to the foil. Using their antennae, they'll reach into the holes, retrieve the mixture, and carry it back to their nest. There, the mixture will kill both the cockroaches and their eggs. Place these balls in your kitchen cabinets under the refrigerator near the stove. You'll see results the very next day. Cockroaches disappear noticeably, effectively, and for a long time because they won't dare to return to build a nest again. Another very simple method is to combine it with diluted lemon juice to repel cockroaches, increasing its effectiveness. Method 2. Repelling cockroaches with lemon juice. Lemon juice not only disinfects and deodorizes effectively, but it also repels cockroaches very effectively thanks to its strong scent and natural acidity. This method is safe, inexpensive, and suitable for any corner of the house. Prepare 3 lemons. You can use lemons that have been sitting around for a while. Then cut the lemon in half. Squeeze the juice of 2 to 3 lemons into a glass. Mix with 300 to 500 milliliters of warm water for better diffusion of the scent. Stir well and pour into a spray bottle. If you want it stronger, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Direct spray. Spray the solution in areas where cockroaches frequent. Kitchen cabinet corners, refrigerator base, under the sink, cabinet crevices, wall surfaces, kitchen nooks and crannies. The lemon scent will make cockroaches uncomfortable and they will stay away. Use a cloth soaked in lemon juice to wipe down the stovetop, sink, and kitchen counters. This will both remove grease and prevent cockroaches from returning. Pour a small amount of the solution into a small bowl and place it in a dark, damp area. This helps keep the area smelling fresh and deters cockroaches. Spray 2 to 3 times per week. Clean with a lemon solution once a week to keep the scent lasting longer. After it rains or when there are food spills in the kitchen, spray again. I find this method of using lemon juice diluted with water very easy and safe. The lemon scent is refreshing, repels cockroaches effectively, and helps keep the kitchen cleaner. It's inexpensive and quite effective, especially suitable for homes with young children or those who don't like using harsh chemicals. This is a short video I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you will try it and see its amazing results for yourself. Don't forget, after you try it, come back and leave a comment sharing your experience, so that many others will also be motivated to try this amazing formula. If you like this video, please leave me a heart in the comments and a like. Thank you, my dear friends. See you next time.